Got him?
Uh-huh. Had Smookerton as he fills up his swimming pool. Oh, that's right. You don't swim in this one, do you, Hyde? You swim in Mama's pond.
Where?
There's all my beautiful cattails. Oh, that's right. And Hyde's swimming pool. Because Hyde rips them out of my pond. How do you control your water, Hyde? How do you do it?
All right, I'm sorry. Come on.
He'll
Come
be
here.
back
Come on.
as the Smookerton reappears. The Smookerton says, yes, I need to play in it.
Get
But
that water.
still, I want to catch some. This is what all coons should do when it is 106 degrees in the shade without getting my phone wet, Lyle.
Oh,
I mean, I know you and Hyde have a good time, but hello. You biting me, Smokey? One Hyde Smookerton. Very smooky coon. More than one. Come on back out, Hyde. You can whoop it.
Alright. He's done.
Oh, he ain't done. You're done for.
It's off. Yeah, it's water.
Smokey Hyde,
Tear it up.
I see you. Get out.
Yeah, I'll let you play with it, Ash. Go ahead. Go get it.
Smokey, get you Wawas.
He got one.
Get you a nice cold drink. Ew. This is how you make your coon sleep all night.
What are you doing, boy? Get out of that water.
You spend the day letting him be a coon.
Want to get him a cookie?
Sure. He may schmook a cookie in his pond. It's cleaner than my fish pond. He'll schmook anything in there. What did you do to it, Hyde? I don't hear it.
Look what I got. Hi.
Schmooky.
Oh,
Cookie.
Cookie.
He says, oh, I'll take a cookie into Schmook Pond. I don't know. Should I eat the cookie or should I play with
You're
my
gonna
water?
melt it, dummy. Eat it. Eat that cookie. Then you can water your pond.
I hear the hawk.
Let me eat that quick. You eat it all?
Yes, it's gone.
You're big.
Tell him, I schmook cookies quite quickly.
I ain't picking.
I am a cookie schmooker. And I love water. I just can't seem to get enough of the water. It's so nice and cool on a day like today. And I have parents who just love to let me play in the water. And then I will run all over the hardwood floors and pretend I didn't do it.
Don't bite me. I'll kick your ass.
You're going to get him, Schmooky. Take a shower, Hyde, Schmook, Schmook. Show him how the coons take showers. Yeah, that's how the little coons take a bath.
Yeah.
Use a clean coon.
Wash off real good.
You know what's sad? They're even cleaner than the dogs. That's bad.
All right, he's done.
Does it feel good, Schmooky?
Hold it, shut off.